Good morning everyone. Treat for you today. Jeep SRT Trackhawk. Only one of so many in the world in the country Australia. I was surprised they're actually here. I had no idea. Lucky me gets to wash this one, ready for collection on Thursday for the new client, new lucky man's going to buy in it. It got delivered to me a couple days ago, but it gets picked up tomorrow morning, so I'm washing it today. So it's absolutely beautifully clean for the new customer. There'll be some shots of it now. Today's wash will be including Bowdens range, supplied by Supercheap Auto. They were kindly enough to give me some stuff to try out, to review, and there'll be a few other videos of their different products and some other brands they stock at Supercheap. So thank you to Supercheap Auto, thank you to Reese. So today is snow foam, Bowdens snow job, I think it is. And also be using their wash wax, I think it's called, wax wash, something like that. Yeah, and I'll be putting it through its paces on this brand new Trackhawk, and hopefully have some fun and some cool shots. Got a new gimbal to use today, new Osmo Mobile 2, which I can't wait to try out. Kendall's going to be roaming around the wash with this thing today, and hopefully get some cool steady shots, cool slow-mo things I'll do in the edit. See what happens. Yeah, but today I think she's ready. Put it in position and start filming. So today for the wash with the snow job, wax wash and snow blow cannon from Bowdens range, Australian made, or Australian design, sorry. So I'll be using them on this thing, Trackhawk, as I mentioned earlier. 2 bucket method as always. Rinse bucket would be full of just plain water to rinse the mitts off, and then this one will be full of wax wash with my woolly mitten thing. Soft, really good for really expensive cars. And then my just microfiber mitt for just the bottom areas, front bar, rear bar, places I don't want to get this thing filthy and have to throw it away. This thing's just for the really bottom areas where no one really sees. And yeah, then I got my wheel bucket full of just heavier duty soap, and got some just some slight degreaser there. These wheels don't have any brake dust on them. It's just dirt at the moment, so I didn't really need anything to kill the brake dust. It's just dirt. And yeah, let's do some slow-mos of the buckets filling up. Wheels are done. They're clean. Black wheels, yeah, they're not the best things to keep clean, unfortunately, but hey, whatever. So the process: full rinse down with the power washer gurney, and then a coat of the snow foam, snow blow, snow job. Then I'll let that sit for a little bit, and then rinse that off, and then apply another coat for when I wash it. Extra lubrication is always the best, so especially on this very expensive rare car. Isn't that right, Kendall? Alrighty, so rinse down. There'll be a time lapse of this whole thing, so hopefully that works. So yeah, let's start now.
Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop.
First snow blow complete. let it sit there for a little bit, not too long, don't want to dry in there, but grabbing the looser dirt and pulling it with it when it falls off the car. And then once I gurney it, again, it should be a little bit more cleaner, so once you touch it with your mitt, you want as little contaminants on the paint as possible to minimize scratching, micro-miring and that sort of thing. Yeah, so pressure wash it again. Car wash complete, finally. It's our papa holiday, so we're not trying to rush this job, but we're trying to get it done so we can enjoy our day off. But it was always good to do this on a quiet day when the mechanic's next door out here making noises. So yeah, review time. We'll do the snow job first, this one. From Bowdens, Australian owned, not Australian made, but Australian owned and designed. Awesome stuff, does exactly what it's meant to do, foam up immensely, especially if you mix it right in the snow foam cannon they gave me. This thing is pretty good too, it's got a wider base on it compared to the other foam cannons out there in the market. Gurney attachment's a little bit weird, a little bit loose, I don't know why, it just is, that's probably the only thing wrong with it. Other than that, it's a standard foaming cannon. Yeah, there's a pH balance. It's not designed to strip anything off the car. It's just extra lubrication. Pull off a bit of dirt with it when it falls off. The way I use it as well is foam it first, or rinse it, foam it, rinse the foam off, and then foam it again for when I wash the car. Extra lubrication is always a good thing, and if you have it, use it. Wax wash, I use this in the bucket. Perfect for every Sunday wash from your own car. It's foamy, it's sudsy, has a little bit of wax in it, carnauba wax in it, so it adds a little bit of shine to your car, especially if your car doesn't have any protection on it. It just adds a little bit of pizzazz to it. Price point for these things, I don't know. I'll put them on the screen now. So whether they're good for the price, I'm not quite too sure. They're awesome products for home, and they're Australian made, or Australian designed, Australian owned, so that's always a good plus. There'll be quite a few review videos coming out soon, not on the Trackhawk unfortunately, that goes out tomorrow morning, but on some other cars, hopefully very soon, hopefully some very nice cars, maybe some a beta we're going to be bought, so we're going to be doing some in-depth detailing on that, say engine bay cleaning and this on a real dirty car. And it's going to be my own car, so we can go nuts on it. Also, I forgot to mention, big thank you to Supercheap Auto for supplying these products. Big shout out to Reese who organised it all. Thank you, Reese. Look forward to keep working with you guys. see you soon. As always, thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, share it around, thumbs up. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.